The drone industry just hit $15 billion in 2025. But here's the brutal truth. 95% of drone businesses still fail. Want to be the 5% who crush it? Here are my 3 secrets. First, specialize, don't generalize. Forget just getting your license. Focus on high-paying niches like AI-powered inspections, agriculture mapping, or emergency response. These gigs pay up to 10x more than basic aerial photos. Second, use AI and automation. The top pros use AI flight planning, smart image analysis, and automated reporting. This saves hours and lands bigger clients, while everyone else is stuck editing photos. Third, build repeatable systems. Don't just fly solo, create systems. Train a small team and scale up. That's how you go from side hustle to 6-figure drone business. The drone market is exploding, but only the innovators win. Ready to join the top 5%? Visit dronepros.org for real business strategies.